This summer, my son jumped into the pool with his cell phone. It was toast. There was no way that that thing was turning back on. And of course, he loves that thing. No surprise. He had a huge personal motivation to save up to replace that ASAP. Now, during this very dark, bleak time in his life, when he had no phone, he spent very little of his money while he saved up to buy a replacement. Now, he was absolutely sorely tempted along the way. He wanted Pokemon cards. He wanted to buy gum. He wanted to go to the movies. He had things he wanted to do. And each time he said he wanted to go buy and spend on something, I would ask him, hey, is this more important than your phone? And some of the times he'd say, no, I'm okay. I'm going to spend a little money. I want to go get some gum. Okay. And other times he said, no, all right, I'll save up for the phone. So he was going through that process of thinking through what his values were, what was more important, and then making his own decision accordingly. And what was interesting is he actually found other ways to earn money. Some of it was doing odd jobs for me. He also had a 15-book, complete book set of Beverly Cleary paper books in rather good condition. So we posted them for sale. It's basically 50% markup. The neighbor was excited to pick them up at a discount, and so that helped fund his phone replacement fund. The ultimate conclusion of the story is that shortly after the kids returned to school, he was able to buy the replacement phone and his world returned to normal. So all is well in his world again.